Hi folks, on the 2nd of September 2025, me and my cousin Stasi decided to go to Ehu Hut. This is a hut in the Balkan mountains in Bulgaria with incredibly stunning, beautiful landscape, mountain surroundings. As you can see here, at first with this drone video I was experimenting with circling around, and then I wanted to show you little bits from the landscape. This is around the Ehu Hut, and you see now Ehu Hut in the distance, the house building kind of on that further ridge over there in the distance, and the beautiful forest on the mountain ridges. Most of these mountain ridges we have been going through because the trip to Ehu Hut starts from the Arch of Freedom, which is Beklemetu Peak, and it's about 15 kilometers walk up to the Ehu Hut. Thanks for watching.